You rent them?
Yeah, you rent them, you have arrested them. Yeah. He's having an argument with him.
Huh? Yeah, look.
So what are all these, what the families, they live up here?
This would be a marketplace, wouldn't it?